Hi, we're here with Evelyn. We did for a nice bathroom remodel. Evelyn, how was the project? What do you think?
Yeah, awesome. I'm very, very happy. I loved it. The shampoo box is awesome. I love that. But the most importantly that I really love is the shower head. I love the shower head. Oh, they're very nice, very nice. They're very professional. I gotta give them a tip because they were awesome. I gave them a good tip, to be honest with you, because they did a good job and they were very, very professional. I love them,
Thank you.
right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, that one, it just make it look brighter and bigger. But good choice. Thank you. Thank you for your
Thank
you for your suggestion. This one is now it's gonna be here forever. It's a
Right.
Trex brand, so I know they last forever.
Here, take about your review.
Yes, exactly. And then you can just have a sit here and have a cup of coffee and
Everyone
enjoy the view, right? Right?